Guys, welcome back. So I know a couple weeks ago we did our names using the technique where you go to the vanishing point. So we're going to learn how to draw boxed letters using a similar technique, except we're going to kind of get rid of the vanishing point and we're just going to make it up ourselves. And I'm going to show you guys all how to draw the same word. That way we can get it kind of working. So I thought that the last time it was a little bit challenging to draw all the different letters going to the vanishing point. So this time we're going to do this one together, and I'm going to show you how to draw the word art and making them look 3D and look like they're popping out. Okay, so go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is we have to write the word art in box letters. So go ahead and follow along with me. So the first thing you're going to do is, starting all the way over here, we want to make it big. We're going to draw a long letter, or a long slanted line, and then another one, and then another one here, and then underneath you're going to draw there and there, and then you're going to go up, and then you're going to go up, and then you are going to draw the little part in the inside that kind of shows that it's an A. Okay, so there's the letter A, just in like a regular box letter. Now we're going to do the letter R. So straight line going down, going up. So we're going to go back up to the top here. You're going to make your big curve for art. These are all uppercase letters. And then you're going to make it go down. Like that. And then on the inside, you're going to just draw kind of like that little, actually it's an uppercase D is what it would be. Okay, and then the last one is T. So there's a line, another line, and then there. Okay, so once you have that, then we're going to actually work on making them look like they're 3D. Okay, so like they're popping out. Okay, so the next thing, we're going to go back over to the A. So we're going to pretend like there's a vanishing point all the way down here somewhere. Okay, we're just pretending, we're not actually going to do it. So you're going to start by drawing a slanted line on each one of the corners of the A. Okay, starting with just that letter. Okay, then you're going to go back up to the top here and you're going to draw one there as well. Okay, once you have that, you're going to connect it with a straight horizontal line. You're going to connect this one with a slanted line going up. Okay? Okay, and then one more here. This one is just going to go up, again, kind of slanted like with the A. Like that. And so now you have your first box letter. Okay, same thing with the R. You're going to pretend like there's a vanishing point, but you're just drawing slanted lines, or diagonal lines is actually what they're really called. Okay, and then this part here is going to be a little bit trickier, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line starting kind of like right where this curve starts on the R, and you're going to draw that going around the R. Okay, and then you're going to connect them again, going straight horizontally, and then this one's going to go up like that, and you now have your boxed R. Okay, last one is your T. We're going to draw some slanted lines at the bottom there, all going the same way. So I have all of mine going towards this corner where this little star is. Should have probably drawn that earlier, but hopefully you guys are following along. Okay, so then once you have that, you are going to do the same thing on this corner of the T, this corner of the T, this corner, and this corner. Okay, then we're going to draw the horizontal line there. We're going to draw a straight line going up, connecting. A line there connecting, got to connect that. Another line here connecting, going straight up, and then another line here going horizontally. Okay, so this is a little bit different than what I showed you before with the vanishing point, because we're actually like cutting it off, so it makes it look like it's not going towards a vanishing point. It just makes it look like it's popping out. And then the way that I made it look even more like it was 3D was the way that I colored it, so I'm going to show you guys that as well. So first I outlined everything, but let me get my regular black. So I outlined everything first. And then any part that was popping out, I kind of like roughly shaded in black. So I'm going to do this real quick. Okay, so then once I did that, the parts that I shaded in were just the parts that look like they're the 3D part. So like right here, and when I say roughly shaded in, I mean I used like diagonal, like the same lines that I did before going that way. And I kind of just like made them lines, if that makes sense. You could color it in all the way, but I thought this kind of gave it like a cool little texture. Just kind of doing it like the rough way. So again, I only did that, and I made these go all the same way as well. But I only did that on these parts that are the 3D part. So not on the front part of the letter. The front part of the letter you can decorate however you want. Okay, and then as far as the inside of the A and the R go, you're going to want to do it to those as well. Okay, so that's your basic popping out art, the word. I'm going to put my final one back up here. So I kind of just decorated mine. Doesn't matter how you do that, that's totally up to you. Be as creative as you want with that one. All right, you guys, I hope you had fun with this project. I hope this one turned out better than the other one. I think the other one was just maybe a little too hard because there were just too many letters to choose from. This time, since we did it together, I think it might have worked out a little better. All right, I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.